Hey guys, Rap here. Recently, me and my dad ordered a brand new metal Piccolo for a cheap price of $110 second hand. And recently I've been noticing the batter head hasn't been hitting as well. So I'm gonna be trying to restore the batter head without having to buy a new one in this video, using a life hack I've seen on YouTube. As you can see, or well, I guess hear, if I do a light tap, it just sounds kind of horrible, even with muffling. A normal hit on the drum with muffling, it doesn't sound that bad. As soon as I take off the muffling, it just sounds like you're getting it straight out of a warehouse shed. I saw a bit of a drum hack where a guy brought life back into the drum skin using a heat gun. So I'm going to be trying it out today. So now if I hit loudly, it doesn't sound. It's got much better piccolo crack, and it's not as resonant as before. And like a light tap, like a ghost note that you would put into a fill, would sound almost like this. Like if I hit it like really lightly, you can still faintly hear the sound of a tom tuned really high up. But if you're doing one of those bottom fills in, for example, Misty Mountain Pop, where he has a lot of accented notes and some ghost notes you can barely even hear, then it just sounds like an actual piccolo. It doesn't sound just like you're doing it with a tom. You can define the difference between the snare and the tom and make it just sound amazing. Oh yeah, and shout out to Venom Drums for giving me this exclusive muffling ring. On the receipt it said it was called the not so fat muffling ring. With it just sounds amazing if you pair it up with certain drums. Like if I use this one, got a really good crack. It eliminates any unwanted resonance, and if I real quick grab my normal snare. For example, if I take my normal drum and hit it, it's got a lot of unwanted resonance going back and forth between the drum. But if I put on the muffling ring, it just just sounds simply amazing. And if I pair it up with my old muffling ring, I can get this cool moon crescent pattern, and it still remains to sound it just has such a good crack to it. So I might be able to just tighten it up just a little bit more using the heat gun. But this live hat actually just truly works. Like it's really gotten out the looseness in this drum, and it's literally pretty much just saved this entire piccolo. It's not as warm as like other times when I've finished using it, but this, like, it barely got tighter just now, but this piccolo is now it's just wonderful how well this live hack works. Like, it's seriously just like saved us quite a bit of money to get a new head. Watching, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed. This has been really fun, me playing with the piccolo, and this life hack's just been working wonders for me. If you could like and subscribe, I'd be really thankful for that. And with that, I'll see you all next time.